Hey guys, here's a remake video of this one. 1080p 60. This remote sometimes doesn't want to respond. Here's the light. This is a good one. The other one in the bedroom's just faster's bad in that one. So medium's much faster than high. Here is low. As you can see, the one in my house is good. I think maybe Florida weather probably ruins some of these dry location fans. Sometimes they may ruin IntelliTouch because of the wet weather. That's about low. It's got a really nice low speed. Here's medium. Light. Feel some air coming out of it. Here's medium, here's high. Here is spin down, light on. I'm just gonna do high reverse. Well, for me, I think forward's better for Florida. And some people have industrial fans, like Tampa Bay Industrial. What if they have a gold line or new tone? Now, I guess I'm gonna do all speeds reverse. I tried to do a video of the one master in last year, in the last day, but my granddad said, Ryan, come over here. Slow. Well, I stayed at a hotel one time, and they had these fans, and they had one of these, and it in 44 inches like the one on the porch, and these relays, and it kind of was clicky, just like Casablanca's IntelliTouch 3. Here's low reverse, here's medium reverse. Here's high reverse. That's more of a weird sound to it in reverse. One problem. Because like, here's spin, goes low. Must slow it down just a little bit. Here's medium. Here's high. Some light on the reverse it. And here's off. Is this off? I think it probably is, so. Anyways, that is it. That is the Minka Aire Concept 2 ceiling fan. Thanks for watching. Bye.